Hey everybody, I'm Mike Desepoli and welcome to the Heritage Market Minute for Monday, October 11th, 2021. We hope you had a great weekend. Not everybody's off today. The stock market is open and we're here to talk about our game plan for this week. It's a partial market holiday as the bond market is closed today and many banks appear to be closed as well in observance of Columbus Day. But nonetheless, the equity markets are open and we have a pretty big week coming up here. So let's talk about some of the things that we're seeing in the market today. We continue to see persistent pressure in oil prices, right? Oil prices moving up, a combination of a major increase in demand as well as supply constraints and crunches have oil back over $80 a barrel for the first time in almost 18 months. And really hard to believe that just probably 12, 13 months ago, we saw oil trade down really pretty close to zero. And in futuristic terms with contracts, it almost traded negative in the early stages of the pandemic. So really an astonishing turnaround there from oil. There will be a vote in the House set to vote, I think either today or tomorrow, about the debt ceiling extension, right? So they pushed the debt ceiling deadline, if you will, out from here in October to December 18th. Not sure, what's going to change between now and then in terms of the parties and their particular stance, but at least it'll give more time for these negotiations to continue. So keep an eye on that vote. We believe it'll pass the market, certainly pricing in the fact or the likelihood that will pass as well. Later this week, the major banks will kick off earnings season yet again, right? Every 3 months, we get a go around here, get the financial results, quarterly reporting from all the major companies in the market. Really gives us a good idea and a good feel for our corporate profits continuing to expand, and is that going to be supportive of the trends in the market? So we'll be watching for that later this week. Midweek, those will kick off. Big banks go first, and then other sectors of the economy will follow in the next couple weeks. All important. Again, earnings reports, not one report will not make or break a company, but we want to see an established trend within different industries to show that the corporate profit growth is still there. Another story that's getting a lot of attention right now, not directly related to financial markets, but there's been a lot of disruption in aviation flights over the weekend with Southwest and others canceling thousands of flights. So this is a situation that bears watching. Early reports blaming weather for some of the cancellations, but subsequent reports think it might be more about a staged walkout. So that is something to keep an eye on. We're not airline investors in particular airlines, so not a big concern for us, but a national story that bears watching. So that's all we have for today. Stock market open, bond market closed. Market's higher right now to start the week. We'll see where they close later today. We will be back later this week on Friday with the Heritage Market Pulse. Hope you have a great Monday, and we will see you then.